What if I told you that one single image could give you 12 different camera angles, 12 cinematic shots, and enough visuals to power an entire brand, ad, or short film without touching a camera? No reshoots, no studios. Stay with me, because this trick is a game changer. For years, great visuals were locked behind expensive cameras, complex lighting setups, and endless reshoots. If you wanted variety wide shots, close-ups, dramatic angles, you needed time, money, and a full production team. But AI has quietly flipped that script. Today, camera movement is no longer physical, it's prompt-based. With the right workflow, one single full image can now become a wide establishing shot, a cinematic close-up, a dramatic low angle, a smooth over-the-shoulder shot, a top-down view, and much more, all without losing consistency, style, or details. And the tool making this insanely easy? Google Gemini. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn one image into 12 different camera shots, step by step, using prompts that feel like you're directing a movie scene, not talking to a machine. By the end of this, you won't just generate images, you'll control the camera. First things first, your foundation matters. Take one full, high-quality image, not cropped, not zoomed in. A complete, clean reference image. This image is your master frame, the scene every camera angle will be built from. Once you have it, upload it directly into Google Gemini. Now, here's where the magic starts. Instead of asking Gemini to edit your image, you're asking it to direct camera shots. Use a prompt like this. Give me 12 different highly detailed image prompts, each using a different camera angle and shot type, including wide shots, close-ups, low angles, high angles, over-the-shoulder shots, and cinematic perspectives, while maintaining visual consistency. What Gemini gives you is not just prompts, it gives you a shot list, like a real film production. Now take your original reference image, the first camera prompt. Combine them and generate your first image. This becomes camera shot number 1. If you're happy with it, save it. Here's the trick most people miss. For your second shot, upload the original image. Upload the first generated image. Add the second camera prompt. By doing this, Gemini understands. Same subject, same environment, same style, new camera angle. You're not regenerating, you're building continuity. Repeat this process. Shot 3. Use images 1, 2. Shot 4. Use images 1, 2, 3. Shot 5. Use images 1, 2, 3, 4. Each new image reinforces consistency. By the time you reach shot 12, you have 12 perfectly matched camera angles, like they came from the same photo shoot. What started as one image becomes a full cinematic sequence. Multiple content assets, social media posts, storyboards, or even video references. All without touching a camera. This is how creators work smarter, not harder. If this blew your mind even a little, like this video, save it, and follow for more AI workflows that actually level up your content. And if you want the exact prompt pack I use to generate all 12 camera angles, drop camera in the comments. I've got you. AI isn't replacing creativity. It's giving creators superpowers. Try this today, and I'll see you in the next one.